Next Tuesday, December 7th, I am delighted to take part in the Roundtable on Cultural Diversity in Brussels, a joint event of Copetier Foundation and Iratza Fundazioa. The European Union principle states united in diversity. But what about language diversity? Millions of European citizens speak a minoritized native language, but these languages have no recognition in the European Union. In fact, many of these languages are not even recognized in their own territory. We do think that the European Union must implement an active language policy in order to promote a real equality among citizens. At this roundtable, as a representative of Contseiua, the civil society, I will propose a series of measures that we think should be taken into account. It is time for the European Union to take a serious position in order not to leave aside millions of citizens. Therefore, Contseiua will use the roundtable of the 7th of December to share different ways of promoting minoritized languages and, of course, to ensure language rights.